We live in the most advanced era humanity has ever seen. Food arrives at our door with a tap. Maps tell us where to go. Apps remind us what to do. AI now even thinks for us. Technology has made everything easier. But here's the question nobody wants to ask. If a machine can do everything, what's left for us to do? Because convenience always comes with a cost. And sometimes the price is ourselves. So today we ask, is technology liberating us or slowly making us weaker, slower, and less alive? Every breakthrough in human history promised freedom. The wheel saved effort. Electricity saved time. The smartphone saved us from boredom. But psychology tells us, when you remove effort from life, you also remove the muscle that effort builds. We wanted comfort, but comfort has a dark side. Let's explore how technology is reshaping our brains, our bodies, our motivation, and our sense of meaning. Let's examine whether technology is making us lazy or simply human in a new way. For millions of years, humans survived by moving. We hunted, we built, we struggled. But now, most of us live like domesticated primates, sitting for 10+ hours a day, eyes fixed on a glowing rectangle. Evolution built our bodies for effort. Technology built a world where effort is optional. And the result? Obesity skyrockets. Cardio health declines. Even our posture collapses. The infamous tech neck, a modern physical mutation. Our ancestors used tools to amplify strength. We use tools to avoid using strength at all. This is the paradox. Technology was meant to make us stronger, but physically, it's weakening us. Technology doesn't only carry our bodies, it also carries our brains. Why memorize anything when your phone remembers it for you? Why learn a skill when YouTube can do it faster? Why think deeply when TikTok can entertain instantly? Psychologists call this cognitive offloading, letting a device handle mental effort. And while helpful, it comes with a silent decay. Memory shrinks, attention span fractures, curiosity fades. We don't wander mentally anymore. The next answer, next video, next dopamine hit is always one tap away. We are outsourcing intelligence. And when you outsource too much, you forget how to work for it. Motivation is built by striving towards something, but technology gives us the finished reward instantly. Want food? Delivered. Want entertainment? Endless. Want approval? Just post. Someone will like it. The reward systems of the human brain, evolved for survival, are now hijacked by apps competing for attention and addiction. We no longer chase goals. We chase notifications. Technology didn't just make life easier. It made challenge optional. But when challenge becomes optional, purpose becomes unclear. And a person without purpose is not relaxed. They're restless. Think of every technological luxury you use. GPS removed your sense of direction. Notes removed memory practice. Spell check removed writing discipline. Calculators removed arithmetic fluency. Online shopping removed planning. One by one, our capabilities are replaced by services. We no longer learn skills. We rent them from the cloud. And the more capability we outsource, the less capable we become. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Technology doesn't make us lazy. It adapts to the laziness already inside us. Many people believe that the opposite of laziness is productivity, but that's wrong. The opposite of laziness is meaningful struggle. When a child ties their own shoes, they grow confidence. When a student solves a hard problem, they grow intellect. When an athlete trains through pain, they grow strength. Technology tries to remove struggle, but without struggle, we don't grow. Carl Jung once said, "There is no coming to consciousness without pain." We think technology helps us by removing difficulty, but sometimes difficulty is the help. Boredom is the birthplace of creativity. Some of the greatest ideas in history came from moments of silence. Newton under a tree, Einstein daydreaming, philosophers walking alone. But today, we kill boredom instantly. On the toilet, in traffic, in bed, scrolling, tapping, escaping. We never sit with our thoughts. We never listen to our inner world. We are always stimulated, but rarely satisfied. Technology didn't just steal boredom, it stole imagination. Here's a twist. Maybe technology isn't making us lazy. Maybe it's changing what intelligence means. Do you need to memorize facts? When your skill is knowing how to find them, do you need physical strength? When the world rewards digital creation, do you need to endure boredom? When innovation happens online, what if laziness in the past is efficiency today? What if we're not declining, just transforming? For every passive consumer scrolling endlessly, there is also a creator building worlds. 3D artists, coders, filmmakers, musicians producing albums from bedrooms. Technology removes some forms of effort and enables others. We lost the strength of the hunter, but gained the vision of the inventor. We lost traditional abilities, but unlocked new abilities. Maybe the real danger is not technology itself, but how we choose to use it. In every era, humans faced a unique challenge. Fire could cook food or burn homes. Tools could build or kill. Industry could advance or exploit. Technology can empower or enslave. Tools don't define a society. How we use them does. Technology gives you superpowers, but also removes excuses. You can learn anything, build anything, share anything, but you must choose to. Freedom and laziness are neighbors. Only values separate them. So, is technology making us lazy, or are we letting it? It can weaken our bodies, or give us time to train. It can numb our minds, or expand curiosity endlessly. It can destroy motivation, or fuel the pursuit of ambitious goals. Technology is a mirror, reflecting who we are becoming. The question is not, what is technology doing to us? The question is, what are we doing to ourselves with technology? You can either use technology to escape your potential or to realize it. The future is not machines replacing humans. It is humans forgetting they're more than machines. If you want to build the version of yourself that doesn't shrink in comfort, but grows beyond it, then stay here. Like, comment, and subscribe for more deep psychology and philosophy content. This is Noolith, where we sharpen the mind instead of outsourcing it.